Hello guys, welcome back. So in this class, I'm going to be teaching you how to design product mockups. Okay, how to design product mockups. So we'll be talking about how to create e-books mockups or product mockups. We'll be making use of this design here. This is a design for a cover page. So you can create any type of product mockup. It can be a product, it can be an ebook. But in this particular class, we are going to be focusing on ebook. We are going to be using ebook as an example. So once you've learned how to design an ebook mockup, then you can design any product mockup at all, because an ebook is also a product, but a digital product. Okay, so in one of our classes, we learned how to design ebook cover pages. So this is an ebook cover page. So we'll be using it to design our product mockup. For us to get started, I would like to walk you through on what a product mockup is, or what an ebook mockup is, because you may be wondering, what is this product mockup or what is this ebook mockup? You may have heard it in a different place, you may have heard it somewhere else, but I want to tell you now before we get started, so you understand what you're doing. So a product mockup is a model of what your final product will look like. Let me tell you about ebook mockup. An ebook mockup is a digital file that allows you to see how your ebook will look before it is published. So product mockup and ebook mockup is the same. There's no difference. The only difference here is that ebook has its own mockup. Other product has their own mockup, and they are all called product because ebook is a digital product. So there's really no big difference in it. Now what it means is this. This is a cover page. So let's assume this cover page, I designed it for a book I wrote, for an ebook that I made up. Okay, let's assume I designed it for an ebook that I made up and I want to print it. The mockup is what that is going to tell me how, or the mockup is what that is going to show me how this my ebook will look immediately I publish it. How will it look? So I'm going to be doing the mockup while you watch me and observe how it looks. So it is what that will help us to see how our ebook or our product will look before it is being published. All right. So for us to do it right now, what you need to do is to click on the background. Please make sure you don't select the write-up or the image. If you select them, you won't be able to do it. Just click on the background where you know you didn't put anything. Just click on the background. If you click on the background, then you look down here. This place that our plus button is, replace, color and effect. So click on effect. Allow it to load. Then you scroll. Just scroll. Are you seeing smart mockups? Smart mockups. So let me go back so you see what I did. Once you have designed your cover page or the cover page of your client, and you want to design the mockup, just click, or you want to design it. May not necessarily be an ebook. Once you want to design a product mockup or an ebook mockup, Just select the background like I did. Come to effect. Then scroll till smart mockups. Click on smart mockups. Allow it to load. Allow it to load so you see how it looks. Now an ebook mockup must have a cover page, which is what we have here already. The title, which is what we have here already. The title of the book is Pencil. And the author of the book, which is John Okafor, as we've written here. In your own case, your book may not have the same thing with mine, the title, the image, and everything. But it really doesn't matter, okay? Just scroll, because this is an ebook that you want to design an ebook cover. So you can actually do so many things. You can put it on a smartphone, on a laptop, on these files, on a shirt. Are you seeing on a mug? That's putting it on a cup. So are you seeing so many of them here? Just keep scrolling. Just keep scrolling. You'll be seeing a whole lot. You even see the one on wallpaper. Okay, this is a laptop, desktop. Are you seeing on something like envelope? An invitation. These ones now are like a frame. Okay, so let's just keep scrolling. What we are looking for is books, because what we are designing is an ebook cover. So what we are searching for is books, and not all these ones. But in your free time, you can as well play around it and choose the one you think it is okay with you. Okay, can play around it. Like I said, the only way to become the best at what you do, the only way to master your craft and become a professional designer, a professional graphic designer, is not just following through the lessons, okay? Following through the lessons is what that will guide you, but that's not what that will make you a professional. What will make you a professional is that after learning from here, after watching me do this product mockup, you will do it in your own way. After trying out what I have showed you and you've learned it, then you try putting it on a shirt. Try doing other product mockups. Look for so many products, products out there, chair, other designs, Try looking for those stuff, those designs. Then try bringing up the mockup. You try it with frame. You try it with smartphone. You try it out on a book like this one. Try it out on a shirt, both the shirt for ladies. Try it out on a hoodie and see how it looks. Practicing all these things and knowing everything it entails is what that will make you a professional designer. So in this case, we are going with a book since that's what we want. So let's just choose any book. Then allow it to load. Let's choose the book and allow it to load. There are so many books here. Okay. So let's now go back and bring it out because it is inside. Just once you click on it, just click on it. You see you see these things will be highlighted. The ebook cover was sent back. Our cover page was sent to back. That is why we couldn't see it. So what you need to do is just click on it. It will be highlighted. Then click on this three dotted line here. Click on it. If you click on it, you will see bring to front. It is no longer showing because it is in the front already. So once you click it and go there, you see bring to front, then you bring it all to front. That's how you bring all everything, all these images, the name and all of it. That's how you bring them up into the mockup so that it will fit in. Now when you bring them, it may be in bigger sizes and everything will not be in shape because the mockup is a different thing, while your cover page is a different thing, so it will not align. You'll be the one now to position it yourself by reducing it, fixing it the way it is. As the book looks, as the book is not straight, then you use the rotate to make sure that the book is facing the exact place it's supposed to fix. Then the name as well, you can change the color of this. You already know how to put in, come here, change the font. If you don't like that font, you come here, you can change the color to whatever color goes best with you. You see all these colors, but I prefer to go with this color. It is in bold already, so this is exactly how to do it. Now you can come here and use the nudge to either bring it down or bring it up to make it all match. Still come here and use the nudge. Come here and use the nudge to move this and make it fitting. If it doesn't look quite well because of the write up, all these things, you are starting afresh, you can still rotate it. Just be watching till it looks perfectly the way you want it to look. So this is how it's going to be now. This is how this ebook is going to be when I put it out there. So if I start printing it out, or if once I publish it, this is exactly how it is going to look. That's the need for mockup. All right. Now you can do this with products. You can do this with other products as well. So we are done with this. What we need to do is just click on download and it will download. Once it downloads, it will save to your gallery. When you go to your gallery, you will see it and it will still be saved on your Canva. So that is it. And like I usually tell you, you are the life of the party as a graphic designer. If you do an excellent work, it will be outstanding. So that is it, guys. Once you have choose the one you want, like I said, you can keep playing around it till you get the best one. Come to effect, click on smart mockups, then go. You can check it on iPhone, mobile phone, on frame, depending on what or the product you are creating. Depending on the product mockup you are creating. I had to use book because we are creating an e-book mockup. That was why I used it to see how it will look when it is published. All right, so just play around it. All right, so that's all about how to create a product mockup or an e-book mockup. So thank you. See you in the next class.